You wake up in the silence of another night. The room is quiet, yet something inside you refuses to rest. Your body turns, your mind whispers, and once again you feel that familiar urge, the need to get up, walk to the bathroom, and return to a bed that suddenly feels colder. You wonder why this keeps happening. You blame the water you drank earlier, or maybe your age. But the truth is, it's not how much you drink, it's when you drink it. Your body is built on rhythm, a perfect timing of systems that work together like music. Your kidneys, your bladder, your heart, your legs, each has its own tempo. But when that rhythm breaks, everything starts to clash. You start waking up at night, you feel heavy, tired, restless. And the deeper reason is something most people never notice: the timing of your water. Every drop you drink sends a message to your body. Drink too much at the wrong time, and that message becomes noise. Your kidneys start working when they should be resting. Your bladder fills when your body should be still. You can't fall asleep, not because you're sick, but because your body is out of sync. Morning should be your body's signal to awaken. That's when your kidneys are strongest, ready to flush out the waste your body built overnight. A single glass of warm water within 30 minutes of waking gives your body permission to move. It tells your brain, the day has begun, and your organs align to that rhythm. This is the moment to hydrate deeply. Your muscles wake, your blood thins, your bladder empties easily. You feel lighter without even realizing why. But then the afternoon comes, the time most people forget to respect. This is when your body shifts from cleansing to maintaining. Here, small sips keep your system balanced. Too much water in one go floods your kidneys, forcing them to work overtime. But gentle, steady hydration helps your organs move nutrients where they're needed. By evening, the rhythm slows. This is when you must be careful. Your kidneys are preparing for rest, and your bladder starts to calm. If you give them peace now, they will stay quiet through the night. But if you pour in a glass of cold water at 7 o'clock p.m. or later, you wake them up again, like knocking on a door that was just closed. They can't rest. They work when they shouldn't. And at 2 a.m., you wake up feeling numb, chilled, and lost between sleep and awareness. Your body isn't weak, it's confused. It thinks it's morning again. The truth is, water is a gentle friend when respected, and a restless one when ignored. The key isn't how much you drink, it's how gracefully you space it. Between meals, not during. Early, not late. Sipped, not gulped. Every act of hydration should feel like care, not correction. If you ever feel your legs swell during the day, or your bladder wakes you at night, that's your circulation asking for rhythm. You can fix it without medicine, just by movement. Every hour, stretch your legs, walk a few steps, roll your ankles. Let your blood travel back to your heart, so your kidneys don't carry that burden alone. Hydration isn't just what enters the body, it's how well it moves inside. As evening deepens, slow down your rhythm completely. Turn off the bright lights, soften the air, and let your breathing guide you. When you drink your last sip of water, ideally before 6 o'clock, make it warm, never cold. Warmth tells your stomach and kidneys it's safe to rest. Cold shocks them awake. Warmth relaxes your muscles, calms your nerves, and signals to your entire body that the work of the day is done. Your bladder is like a gatekeeper. It needs peace before you sleep. If you've respected the rhythm through the day, morning, hydration, balanced afternoon sips, no late-night water, that gate stays quiet. You won't wake up shivering or restless. You won't lose hours of sleep to something that could have been so easily prevented. The secret to a peaceful night isn't less water, it's the right water, at the right time. Your kidneys don't slow with age, they slow with confusion. Give them rhythm again, and they'll reward you with calm. Now, imagine this routine becoming your daily language. You wake up, drink a glass of warm water, breathe deeply, you walk, you eat, you rest, you hydrate gently. You stop by evening, and when night falls, your body sighs with relief. You lie down, and for once, nothing interrupts you. Your sleep stretches long, deep, uninterrupted. Warm water is your safest companion. It moves gently, heals quietly. A slice of ginger in that water turns it into warmth that travels through your body. Relaxing your stomach and calming inflammation, sip it slowly. It doesn't force, it soothes. Or a few drops of lemon in warm water, not cold, not sweetened, just clean and light. It supports digestion, clears your system, and helps your kidneys do their work without strain. It's simple, pure, and profoundly effective. These small choices change everything. They sound too gentle to matter, but they matter deeply. Suddenly, your legs don't feel heavy, the restlessness at night fades, your sleep grows deeper, and one morning you wake up and realize your body was never broken. It was just waiting for you to listen. Follow this rhythm for 3 days, then 7, then a month. Morning hydration, mindful sips. Early cutoff, gentle movement. Watch how your nights begin to change. Watch how your energy steadies, how your thoughts clear, how your mornings no longer begin with fatigue. The body doesn't ask for perfection. It asks for consistency. Every sip taken with awareness tells your body, you can trust me again. And in return, your body stops waking you up to remind you of what's missing. It begins to rest. Peace isn't found in control. It's found in timing. The right rhythm is the medicine your body always needed. Tonight, when you lie down, remember this. Your body isn't asking for effort. It's asking for harmony. You don't need to fight it, or fix it, or force it. You just need to flow with it. Let it rest. Let it breathe. Let it heal. And for the first time in a long time, let yourself drift into the kind of sleep your body was made for. Deep, silent, and whole.